Welcome to this tutorial on increasing the size or width of a button in WordPress, completed in about 5 minutes. In this guide you will learn how to log into WordPress, navigate your site's editing interface, and adjust the button dimensions using the available styling options. Let's begin with the very first step of accessing your WordPress account. Start by launching your preferred web browser and navigating to the main WordPress website. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find a login option. Click on this login button to proceed to the sign-in screen. Instead of entering your login credentials manually, choose the option that allows you to continue with your account from Google. This method offers a faster and more secure way to log in by leveraging your existing Google authentication. After you select the Continue with Google option, a list of your Google accounts appears on the screen if you are already signed in. Choose the account you wish to use for accessing WordPress. It is important that this account has the appropriate permissions for managing your website, so ensure you are making the correct selection. Once you have chosen your Google account, WordPress will redirect you to a personalized dashboard that gives you access to all key site management tools. In your dashboard, locate the Quick Link section. There you will see an option that says Edit Site. Click on this option, which immediately opens the site editor. Within this editing interface, you will notice your websites are listed. Click on the website you intend to modify. This action takes you directly into the editing environment where you can work on various elements of your site, including the buttons. Now that you are inside the editor, direct your focus towards the top left corner of the screen. Here you will see an icon that resembles a plus sign. Clicking this icon allows you to add new elements to your page or locate existing blocks that can be modified. In this instance, the aim is to add or adjust a button. After clicking the plus icon, you will be prompted to type a keyword. Enter the word button carefully into the search field provided. As you type, a list of options related to button elements will appear. From this list, select the option labeled buttons, which will add a button element to your site. With the button now integrated into your page, your next step is to modify its properties for a better visual fit. On the right side of your screen, you should see a properties panel displaying options related to the newly added element. Within the properties panel, navigate to the Styles tab. This tab houses various customization settings that allow you to alter the design of your button easily. Under the Style settings, locate the option for dimension padding. Adjusting the dimension padding settings lets you increase the button's size or width. As you slide or input new values for the padding, the button will change its dimensions in real time. Continue adjusting this setting until the button reaches a width that complements your design preferences and overall website layout. Following this step-by-step process makes it simple to enhance and modify your website's button size. By utilizing the quick login method with your Google account and efficiently navigating through the site editor, you have now successfully increased the dimensions of a button in WordPress. Enjoy the improved visual impact on your website, and thank you for following this clear and straightforward tutorial.